mga candidates! So right now, we are here in the new condo that we are going to furnish. So ngayon, pag nakita nyo itong condo, sobrang bare na bare siya. Walang kalaman-laman. And ang task natin ngayon is to get some furniture para ma-kickstart natin yung decoration and furnishing netong condo na to. Today, we are going to try GCash, Buy Now, Pay Later installment option na tinatawag na I-GGives. Nakita nyo ito sa inyong GCash app. Okay now, so what we're waiting for, let's go now to one of my favorite budget-friendly Scandinavian furniture shop that also gives you an option to pay GCash when buying furniture. IKEA.
Siyempre, one of our go-to shops when it comes to Scandinavian-themed furniture na pasok sa budget ay ang IKEA. Kaya sobrang saya ko knowing that they're offering GCash as a payment option.
Hi everybody, so ngayon, as I mentioned, we are here in IKEA and we are getting some stuff that we will be needing for the condo furnishing. So, as mentioned, gagamitin natin ngayon sa ating purchasing ang GCash.
Dito sa IKEA, marami kang pagpipilian mga gamit pang bahay. Pero for this particular condo, we are looking for something in between Scandi and industrial theme. Kaya we are mixing light colors such as white and wood with black metal accents.
Okay, your goal for today is to get some sofa and center table, bed, TV cabinet, and also dining set. So, ayun yung pinaka-goal natin, and then the rest, bonus na lang. Hopefully, mayroon kasi some of the stuff I was looking at kanina, out of stock na. Pero, yeah. Okay, also, another goal of ours is mag-fit ng in or under 50,000 pesos yung ating mga purchases today kasi nga, we will be using GCash in today's purchases.
Yes, you heard it right. You can get as much as 50,000 pesos to use when you pay with GCash. At dahil buy now, pay later scheme ito ng GCash, you can pay in 3, 6, 9, or even 12-month installments. And you can even break down your payments and pay twice a month, so you have the choice to pay in smaller amounts. Now that we are done getting the things that we need, it's time to pay. Sobrang daling gamitin ng GCash para ka lang nagabayad ng regular GCash. Just tell the cashier that you are paying via GCash para they will generate a unique QR code for your purchases. Scan the QR code and choose GCash. Piliin kung ilang months mo balak bayaran. I-review and tada! You are done! And take note, you don't need to shell out anything. So here's a little computation. My total bill is 35,890 pesos. I plan to pay in 12 months with 1.99% interest, which is around 3,705.04 pesos. If I split paying every month in twos, I'll be paying 1,852.52 pesos every 15 days.
Hi guys! So right now, we are back here in the condo. So dinala ko na yung mga iba nating pinamili from IKEA. These are the stuff na I can just carry and put in the car. Pero there are also items like big items such as bed, the mattress that will be delivered in a few days. I'm super happy with GCash. As you saw a while ago, sobrang dali niya lang gamitin para ka lang talaga nagbabayad ng regular GCash. Ito nga lang, you have an options to make your payment into 3 months, 6 months, 9, or even 12 months. And within that, you can also split into 2. Kaya mas madali at mas magaang sa bulsa. Kaya mga candidates, what are you waiting for? Activate your GCash now and shop today. Anyway, super excited guys to show you the final look of this condo. Pero for now, maglilinis muna tayo, mag-ayos, maghihintay ng iba pang mga deliveries at magbubukas ng ating mga pinamili. So see you guys very soon. Bye!